Welcome to EdenTree TV. I'm James McLuckie of the EdenTree team, and in this broadcast we're going to take a quick look at some of EdenTree's functions and features. We would recommend that you view this video in expand mode, which you can do by selecting the second icon in from the bottom right hand corner of the player, an illustration of which is appearing on screen now. There are a range of features on EdenTree, designed to make your visits more enjoyable, user-friendly and interactive. On the front screen, there is a rotating panel, where we will highlight our latest monthly content updates, as well as other news of interest. Just press the red Find Out More on one of these sections to open it. You can also navigate through the panel by using the numbered buttons at the bottom right. Below this is a record of your last visit to EdenTree, including the last piece of content that you viewed, so you can pick up where you left off. We also might provide you with some suggestions for other content that you might be interested in, based on your last visit. Alternatively, search for something by entering a term into the search box. Let's now move to the top right hand corner of the screen, where we find a range of user features and functions. The first option here is Forums. Our Forum section is the place where you can introduce yourself, pose questions to other members of the EdenTree community, or share ideas and information. There are a variety of forums dedicated to particular subjects of interest to EdenTree members. If we open up the All About EdenTree forum, which is a general space to discuss the site, you can see that the discussions are listed in chronological order. You can subscribe to a forum by checking the box at the top of the frame. This means that you'll be notified by email every time a new topic discussion is started. And beside this is the option to start discussing a new topic. Once you select a topic, you can reply to it, quote an existing reply, or edit or delete a post that you have made. If we move back to the top of the screen now, the next feature to look at is bookmarks. Every piece of content on EdenTree has a bookmark icon, which can be found in the top or bottom right hand corner. Once selected, you will be taken to this bookmark section. You can tag a bookmark with a meaningful word, such as a project or course name, or a subject matter, and you can then use these tags to filter your bookmarks. Each bookmark you add is then stored in the bookmark section for you to select as needed. Any tags that you use are also listed. The bigger the tag, the more pieces of content that there are affiliated with it. As well as bookmarking content, you can also tell us what you thought of it. Either use the recommended thumbs up icon to highlight that you liked it, or alternatively, at the bottom of the screen, you can leave comments. Tell us what you thought was good about the content, or what you think could have been improved. Additionally, provide some details on how you used it. We want as much feedback from you as possible, so we'd encourage you to use these functions. Each piece of content can also be downloaded as a Word or PDF document, and you can also share a link to it with other EdenTree members through one of the social media tools listed. EdenTree also provides recommendations for other content that you might be interested in based on the current resource that you are viewing. The third function located in the top right hand corner is My Profile. It is here that you can check your personal details are correct and change your password. If you are one of our members who have a set number of downloads, this section will be called My Account and will look slightly different. You will be able to see how many downloads that you have left for your current subscription period. Beside My Profile is the Logout button, fairly self-explanatory and something you won't use too often, we hope. Back to our front screen then, and a summary of the most read and the most recommended content can be found. Again, the content can be selected directly from this area. The latest posts from our forums are also shown. One last thing to point out is that you can continue your EdenTree experience on Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn. Just select one of the options here to be taken to our social media sites. Well, we hope you found this broadcast useful. If you would like more information on any aspect of EdenTree, you can contact us by email at info@edentree.co.uk or telephone us on 0845 22 33 002. Thank you for watching.